Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about drill through, set up a drill through target page. So, what it means, a drill through target page. Now, suppose that you want to provide drill through for manufacturers. You might create a drill through target page with visual that shows total sales, total units to sales by category, and so on. Okay, so you create a target page and it shows total sales, total units shipped. And then when you drew to that page, the visual are specific to the manufacturer you selected. So how you do that is that on the due to target page, in the build visual visualization, drag the field for which you want to enable drill through into drill through well, something like that. So let's just look at one. Now, for example, that we have, let's look at the data set first, right? So we have locations and we have products. Now, on the, so we look at the Joe, and after that, want to look even more specific into the product of that geographic, right? So it's like, let's say I want to know India, just want to know India page, everything about that, the product sales of India, and there are many more things, right? Let's just look at here how to do that. So on the main page, we know that, oh, the sales for each jaw is like this. Now, if I look at the India sales, right, how we do that? Just go here, and I want to know details of everything about India, and I don't want to see others jaw data. How to do that? Well, you go to so something like that, right? So let's say India, and right click. The more I can see all other states. I can just drill through, look at page 3, and look at that. This is for India, and these are all the product sales for India. So how to do that? Let's click on a new page, and then I'll create a cart, drag this, so we will easier to know that, oh, it's actually for which jaw itself. Now, next thing is that you also drag the jaw into this filter drill through area as well. Now, next thing is that I want to know everything about Australia's product sales. So I'll just drag here one, and then I'll drag my amount. All right, so I want to change it to other state column chart. Okay, let me just this here. All right, so once you've done this, what's the next step is you click on the let's go back to here. Okay, basically we have few page 2 already. Now we'll just go to the indie, go to other state, right? Just click here one time, right click, drill through. If I want to drill through the page 4, and I'll look at all the UK sales for each. So look at that. That is drill through at a glance. So everything about UK sales, I can add it here. I can know about the if I want to know the number of customers, I can also write the sales for just for this region, right? Because the relation is already connected. As you can see here, it's all connected. Here we created the relationship, so it should be done, right? And that's it. Thanks for watching. Drill through, drag this jaw into this. So I'll look at just the jaw itself. Let's come here and come into page 1. You can see right here. So let's look at the page 4 here. Let's just see here. All right. So what does this mean, right? Category is bytes. You see here. What does it change? Well, that's because of here. If I go for bars, okay, bars, and then I right click here again. Again, I click on this here one, right click, and go to this page 4, and this is USA. Now this is all bars. Look at that. It's all about bars. And over here, look at that. This is bar, and this is what explained in this table here. It says that this is called transient filters are in italics. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.